Open the rear cover of the MAGNUS desk. Mount the clamp on the inside edge of the MAGNUS desk cable tray opening. Tip: if you want to center your monitor, position the clamp 12 centimeters away from the middle of the desk. Using the M5 hex side of the included screwdriver, tighten the top screw of the clamp by turning clockwise. Do not over-tighten. Insert the bottom arm into the clamp mount. Tighten the thumb screw by turning it clockwise. Insert the upper arm into the bottom arm. Tighten the thumb screw by turning it clockwise. Position the VISA plate over the mounting holes of the monitor and use the M3 hex side of the included screwdriver to attach it with the 4 VISA screws. If the VISA mounting points are recessed, use the included standoff screws when installing the VISA plate. Place the provided packaging box on your desk. It will serve as a support base for your monitor. If the packaging box is damaged, use a stable support base with a height of 15 to 20 centimeters and sufficient surface area to accommodate your monitor. Before mounting, check that the tension is set to the minimum via the built-in tension indicator on the upper arm. If it is not at the minimum, using the included Allen key. Loosen the tension by turning the tension adjustment screw anti-clockwise. Lift and place the monitor on top of the base support. Have a friend help lift the monitor if required. Before mounting, ensure that the lock knob is set to the unlocked position. While holding the monitor in place, move the arm into position and align it with the VISA plate on the back of your monitor. Hook the bottom of the VISA mount to the grooves along the bottom of the VISA plate by lifting the monitor arm upward. Once the arm is engaged onto the VISA plate, pivot the monitor backward to align with the lock knob. Once the VISA plate is flush with the mount, rotate the lock knob to the locked position. Press down on both lock screws and tighten by hand by turning clockwise. Using the M3 hex side of the included screwdriver, fully tighten the lock screws. Tighten the tension adjustment screw by turning it clockwise in small increments at a time. Do not over-tighten beyond the maximum mark. Lift up the monitor to check the tension. The monitor should not sink down. If the monitor sinks, tighten the tension further. Remove the packaging box once your monitor is elevated fully without support. Connect cables from a power source or PC to your monitor by routing them through the built-in cable channels. Slot loose cables into the magnetic cable sheaths and attach them to the base of each arm. Leave some slack in the cables to ensure your monitor can be adjusted without any restrictions. Close the cable tray. Insert each handle into the slots on the VISA mount. You should feel a click when the handles are fully inserted. Tip: straighten the upper arm by pulling it toward you so that there is space for the screwdriver to rotate. Using the M3 hex side of the included screwdriver, tighten the pre-installed screws on the handles. Grab both handles and move the monitor into your desired position. You've successfully assembled your Secret Lab MAGNUS heavy-duty monitor arm. Turn off the power to your monitor. Tilt the monitor backward. Disconnect all cables from the monitor. Using the M3 hex side of the included screwdriver, unscrew both handles. Remove handles from the VESA mount by pulling outward. Place the provided packaging box on your desk as a secure base support. If the packaging box is damaged, use a stable support base with a height of 15 to 20 centimeters and sufficient surface area to accommodate the monitor. Use the included Allen key to loosen the tension adjustment screw to the minimum level by turning it slowly anti-clockwise. Lower the monitor onto the base support. Have a friend help hold the upper arm in place. Hold the monitor down, and using the M3 hex side of the included screwdriver, loosen the 2 lock screws. Continue holding down the monitor and rotate the lock knob to the unlocked position. Tilt the monitor away from the VESA mount and slowly push the monitor arm down to unhook it. Have a friend help hold the monitor arm if required. Slowly release the arm until there is no longer any resistance pushing back against you. Using the M3 hex side of the included screwdriver, unscrew the 4 VESA screws or standoffs. Remove the VESA plate.